Hello, Sigal. Welcome to this Centro de Poder interview. I am such honored to have you here, and I introduce you to our audience. Sigal Rozenblum. She is a master teacher trainer of Pilates. She is the director of Nekudat Isun studio in Israel. That means in Hebrew balance point. So I am very happy. Welcome, Sigal. Please tell us a little bit about how was that you encountered the Pilates method and what happened in that encounter that made you choose the life direction of putting a studio and becoming a teacher and even a teacher trainer. So how was that you fell in love with the method?
Okay, so again, thank you. It's my honor to be questioning by you, Candia. My way with the Pilates was um, affected by injury, my personal injury, that I learned how to use the body, how to learn how to um, regain my trust in the body and in movement. So this is my way of teaching people to move and to gain the trust after injuries, trauma about their body. So this is what made me choose Pilates and to pass and teach more mindfulness, movement, or awareness and intention to our body.
Yes.
The real principle of movement that I'm adapting in life and in teaching is the breathing, how the breathing affects the muscle tones, the brain, the way of thinking, the way of feeling, the way of using the body fluently.
The breathing. Okay, tell us how you teach this body mind connection and breathing to someone that is just coming to Pilates, because many times people come because they want the Pilates body right away, and they think that with doing a lot of abdominals and a lot of footwork in the reformer with all the springs, they are gonna get the results. So how do you introduce people to this essence of the method? So yeah.
By explaining first how the breathing, the inhalation and exhalation work, how it's important to the blood flow, how it improving movement and facilitate movement by trying to move in different exhalation, inhalation, and to teach the muscles that involved in the breathing system.
Okay. How do you think Pilates changes the way of living? Like how the work that is done inside the classroom, inside the Pilates studio, like really have an effect outside. What is the best results that you see in your students?
I'm usually teaching that those bunch of exercises that we're giving people are actually a way to teach them how muscles work, how muscles combine together, how they support the structure, how by learning how to flexion, extension, rotating, side bending affect the movement that they're doing daily time, or how they by knowing what the muscles that involved when you're making extension will improve your posture, will improve your alignment. And I think the most thing that I'm teaching is to be aware from where the movement is coming, and to understood and to be aware to your alignment when you're doing something.
The movement. And what is your favorite Pilates exercise? This is a difficult question.
Cat stretch.
The cat
I
stretch.
think you have a lot.
Yeah,
Yes,
the cat stretch in the window chair or in the Cadillac or in the mat.
all versions. All versions.
All versions are favorite and welcome. Yeah, we all should do a cat stretch at least once a day. Sigal, I am so happy to have you in this express interview. Please let us know how can people reach you if they live in Israel or if they are going on vacation or if they want to know more about your work. How can they get in contact with you?
So we have an Instagram account called Balance Point Pilates.
Balance Point Pilates.
And my name in Hebrew and in English is Sigal Rozenblum in Facebook. We have a site, although it's in Hebrew, but it's called Balance Point COIL, so they can find us. And that's it, I think.
Wonderful.
It's a lot.
Wonderful. Balance Point in all the internet. And Sigal Rozenblum. Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much, Sigal, for your beautiful and generous interview. I hope we can also talk further in the future for another interview here in Centro de Poder. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.